Hi family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a girl Trula and I'm so excited to be back. I hope you guys are also happy to have me back on your screens. Today I'm back with an exciting video and I hope you guys are gonna enjoy it. Stay tuned. So on today's video guys, I won't be that long. I'll only be taking you guys through two things. Firstly, I'll be taking you guys on a small tour of my online store at truacloset.online, and I'll also be sharing with my family business buddies, you guys that are into business. I'll be sharing with you on how to go about getting your website running, and I'll be giving few recommendations, and I'll also be sharing information that's going to be needed in order for you guys to open your own websites and get your online stores running. I'm trying to make space to side so I can share the screen with you guys. Okay, and fast forward going to the video. I hope you guys are going to enjoy my online tour. I hope you guys like my store. Okay, let's share with Adam. So this is our homepage, as we can see. Now, on the top right hand side of the homepage, please click there on the top right hand side. Then you can see it's different categories. You can click on any of your choice. Let's say underwear, then you choose your preference. I'm just showing you guys how to make an order, and then you add to cart, then select now. Let's select now, and then as you proceed, to check out, please make sure that you fill in the billing details. Make sure that you fill in the billing details, and then you check out. After checking out, you will receive an order details. You will receive an order receipt, and then on your order receipt, you will have your order details and your order number and everything else that you will need. It will automatically go to your email, because remember, when you fill in your billing details, your email is going to be required. So after you filled in everything, your details are going to be sent, your order details are going to be sent through to your email. And what else? Okay guys, so you can also check us on Instagram and Facebook at Trua Closet or at Trua Closet Pty Ltd, and you guys are welcome. If you are in a journey of opening your own online store and getting your website running, the plug is Generate Inc. I'm gonna leave their details here on my right hand side, and I hope you guys are gonna enjoy their services. You can follow them on Instagram at Generate Inc. You can also follow them on Facebook at Generate Inc. And you can also visit their offices. They are based in Cape Town. If you do want to pay them a visit for legitimacy purposes, you can go to 117 Tlanzani Road, Elita Park, and you'll find them there. And for any information, they will give you all the information that you do need. If you are selling digital or physical products, whatever it may be, you might be into bakery, you might be into clothing, you might be into e-commerce, dropshipping, whatever it might be in South Africa, I do recommend Generate Inc. And one thing I like about them is that their payment is once off. It's not recurring, like it's not, you don't pay each month or time to time, no, nothing like that. So it's very convenient, and won't need a much of stuff. They'll need a few things from you. Maybe they'll need your personal details, then there to put on your profile. They'll need pictures of the items you'll be selling from your site, so they can be able to generate them on their website. And then they'll also need maybe your banking details, some few documents for verifications for security purposes. And guys, one thing that is more exciting about this thing is that they don't hold your funds. Like on the website, the money goes directly to the website and to your bank account. The funds will be going directly into your bank accounts. They won't be going through them. No, it's just gonna be, the website is just gonna be there for people to be able to order and stuff, but the money is going directly to your account. Okay, do check them out guys, and do not be feeling worried like you don't want to pay and all stuff. Guys, this business, you must pay. As much as there's other online selling platforms that are allowing you guys to sell at a certain rate, paying each month. So can you imagine someone offering something for once off? You never get to pay after that. So guys, do check them out, and also do check my online store out, True Closet. Do order for your girlfriend, for your friend, for your sister, lingeries, okay? And I hope to see you in the next video. I'll leave their link on my description box. You can go through their website if you want to check out more offers. You are more than welcome. Just go through my description box below and click generate ink. You just see there, generate ink, www.generate ink, and yeah, you're good to go. And what else did I miss? Did I miss something? Oh, they're also running a special of 550 once off for websites. Okay guys, so that's it for today, and I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Okay, don't forget the share button.